like carrying it because it's not too small, it's not too big also, and it's also easy to carry. It's permanently attached to my belt. I can use it in the farm. Whenever I need to leave the farm also, I can still wear it and still drive and wear the seatbelt. Compared to this fixed blade, this is a Bolo. Okay, so it will be conspicuous whenever I bring this, and it will be difficult to drive because I won't be able to use the seatbelt if I'm wearing this while inside the vehicle. Okay, so before ending this episode, I'd like to thank Rob Taylor for giving me this knife. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in Manila this coming January or maybe December, and hope to see you in Davao this coming February also. Regards to the whole family, Merry Christmas. 73.